Hey, it's Veronica. This is how I thread my needle when I'm hand sewing faux fur. First I'm going to grab an embroidery needle and at least 2 arms length of thread. I'm going to fold the thread in half and bring the 2 ends together. I'll just cut these to make it a little easier. And I'll put these 2 cut ends through the eye of the needle. And I'll bring those about even with the folded end of the thread and double knot. One knot on top of the other. Now I'll just clip the end here, and I'm ready to sew faux fur. The reason I use an embroidery needle is because it's sturdier and more heavy duty than a regular sewing needle, and because it has a bigger eye, which makes it easier to thread with those multiple threads. And as a bonus, embroidery needles are really easy to find and they're cheap. But if you have a faux fur with an extra heavy backing, something that's really difficult to sew through, you could even go with something as heavy duty as a canvas needle. Or for a really plasticky stiff backing, you could go with a sail needle, which has this chisel-like part near the point. These two are a little harder to find, but I would say you'd usually find them at the craft store in a multi-pack of heavy-duty hand sewing needles. And the reason I quadruple up the thread is because, well, first off, when you thread the needle this way, it can't come undone, and so that makes it nice to sew with. But also, the backing of faux fur is pretty unique, but essentially it functions as a wide woven, and so you'll need a larger knot to be able to easily start the seam. And I'll just show you real quick. When you pull on the quadruple thread, the knot easily stays where it needs to be, and you can pull taut on that thread without any danger of it breaking. But then when you go to pull through a single thread, I think I triple knotted this, when you go to pull it through the fabric, the knot tends to pop right through. So that's why I use so many threads. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions below, and if you'd like to subscribe, I would love to have you. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.